What's up guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you one of my favorite card tricks ever. You ready? It's called the Shake Change. Are you ready? You need any two cards. You put them back to back, just like this. Back. And so one side looks like this and the other side looks like this. And all you want to do is hold it just like this. Grab the card just like this. And then with your pointer finger, all you want to do is turn the card around. How cool is that? As you turn it around, you want to shake the cards just like this. And when you practice, start slow and just keep practicing. Eventually until you can get like this. And then with a little bit more practice, you can make it like that. Or all you do is just go up once, and that's it. But that takes a lot of practice, so don't worry, you got this. So just practice shaking the cards and turning them really slow. And it's okay if you don't get your first try. It's okay. And you got this. I love you so much, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. I post every single day. What? Every single day? I mean... Hit that subscribe button. I love you so much. Have an amazing day.